You may have heard this wild rumor about Iran and kamikaze dolphins.
The Wall Street Journal reported today that they're contemplating measures like suicide dolphins.
Wait, I'm sorry. How would that even work?
The Persians want to strap mines to dolphins.
It's gone viral to the point that the Pentagon has been asked to comment.
It's like sharks with laser beams, right?
Yes, that was an Austin Powers reference.
Are those sharks with laser beams attached to their heads?
So no on the kamikaze dolphin squad?
And I can't confirm or deny whether we have kamikaze dolphins, but I can confirm they don't.
But that's not the first weird or wild rumor about weaponized marine life. Remember this? Back in 2010, Egyptian officials accused Israel's Mossad of being behind a spate of shark attacks in Sharm el-Sheikh. They said Israel had trained the sharks to attack swimmers to ruin Egypt's tourism industry. Hamas has also claimed that one of its members was killed by an Israeli assassin dolphin. Now it all sounds a bit sci-fi, but did you know some sea species are being used in modern warfare? Since 1959, the US's Marine Mammal Program, for example, has trained bottlenose dolphins and California sea lions to detect and locate mines. They don't just protect US harbours, they've been deployed to combat zones. The US has used dolphins to protect sailors in the Vietnam War, to escort Kuwaiti oil tankers during the Iran-Iraq War in the 1980s, and to help the Navy locate and disarm more than 100 anti-ship mines and underwater booby traps planted in Iraq's Ghas port during the US-led invasion to overthrow Saddam Hussein. A lot of other countries use marine mammals too because of their intelligence and because their natural sonar abilities outstrip any technology humans have been able to develop. Russia, for example, also has a marine program, which hit the headlines when one of its star recruits apparently went rogue. In 2019, local fishermen found this friendly beluga whale dressed in a harness off the Norwegian coast. They named him Vladimir and speculated he was a Russian spy. But experts concluded it was more likely the white whale had been trained by Russia to guard a naval base in the Arctic Circle, but had gone AWOL because, quote, it was a hooligan. Kamikaze dolphins, sharks with laser beams, a beluga whale on the run. A far-fetched fantasy, but not entirely.